Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a login page in Wix so visitors can create accounts and access members-only content. This is perfect for websites that offer subscriptions, courses, or exclusive resources. Let's say we have another editing page open. To add a member login page to your Wix site, go to the app market on the left side. Search for the app you need. Once you see it, click it, then type Wix member in the search bar and press enter. Click this option and add it to your site. Wait for it to load. As you can see, it is now being added to our Wix site. Please wait until it finishes loading so we can complete the process. Once it's ready, we will see the login page. We can now add this to our website. To finish, click Publish. And that's how we add a login page in Wix in just a few simple steps. We can now manage members and provide exclusive content with ease.